I'm Kit Custer with the Easy Sales Team, Keller Williams Citywide. I am here to show you our latest Imagination Renovations project at 5049 RAVENWAY Drive in North Ridgeville, Ohio. Let's take a look. I also want to talk to you about our easy media productions and our virtual staging. Check out what we can do to this room. Let's move into the kitchen, where we decided to do the two-tone with the light gray and the white shaker cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops, and beautiful gray backsplash to match. This is really the hub of where everything happens. And starting from the front door leading all the way into this morning room is beautiful new luxury vinyl. And as a bonus, you get a fully fenced in backyard. Imagine drinking your cup of coffee first thing in the morning, enjoying the view. And check out the master suite and what it can look like with furniture. And follow me past the walk-in closet to your dream ensuite. Imagination Renovations gutted this bathroom, brand new flooring, new countertops, quartz, and beautiful jacuzzi tub. All the tile work was done by hand in the shower as well. You're never going to want to leave. Thanks for watching another episode of our Imagination Renovations. Stay tuned for our next renovation project.